ella es la segunda vez que va a un curso una organización artistas richtig von der Linie der
First thing in the morning, after I drink my herbal tea, I do some movement practice, dancing and yoga, to gain flexibility in my body and energize myself for the day ahead. I like to practice here, right in front of my adobe cabin. It's really beautiful this time of day. I really enjoy connecting to the sound and feel of preparing food for cooking. There's something sensuous about the act of washing and cutting up the vegetables. How each one has a different density in your hand and smell when you cut it open. Every Saturday, the pescadero drives through my neighborhood. I can hear his loudspeaker from down the alleyway. So this morning, Huki and I went out and I bought medio kilo de camarones. I brought it back prepared with potatoes, onions, garlic, spices, salsa de jitomate, and now I get to enjoy some delicious caldo de camarones. Yummy. Delicioso. I have a lavadero. It's a sink for hand washing your clothes. They're really common here in Mexico. I've found that by going into mundane activities like chore work, it can become a type of meditative practice. To get to a place where you're maximizing your creativity and growing your self-expression, it's really important to have and maintain a daily routine. For me, that means getting up in the morning, drinking my herbal tonics, making yoga, meditation, cooking a delicious breakfast, and then taking care of any chore work which needs to be done. Here, everything is done by hand. So that gives me the time to put my attention into my work and also makes me more physically active. I encourage you to try that in your own life. Well, now that I've completed my morning routine, that means I have some time to work in my studio on some new paintings I'm creating. In an interesting way, the structure that I bring in by my daily routine creates a container for the freedom and spontaneity of my self-expression. There's an aspect of diving into that chaos of creation that becomes easier when it's balanced within the framework of my everyday routine. Kind of like the way a frame draws your attention more clearly to a work of art. Well, it's been a good productive day thus far. I've gotten a lot accomplished, thanks in large part to my routine. Since I have a schedule and a structure to my day, I know what I'm going to be doing, and I don't have to obsess over it. Now that I've finished my work, it's time for a little fun. Me and Huki are going to take a hike up into the mountains to enjoy the rest of our day. Hooks. Walking up along the outskirts of the city, the fresh air filling my lungs, I realized the importance of this part of my routine. It's about a 20 to 30 minute walk up into the mountains from our cabin. Cardiovascular exercise, like this hike up into the foothills of Oaxaca City, gets the blood flowing throughout my system, energizing my body to be more active and my brain to think more creatively. Having a routine gives a framework to my day, starting off in the morning with my practice of self-care, drinking herbal tonics, making yoga, meditation, eating a healthy breakfast, doing some chore work when it's needed, and then moving into my productivity time in the afternoon, whatever work needs to be done for the day. And if I'm lucky, I'll have time once the evening rolls around to have a little relaxation and enjoyment. Today I went for a walk to see the beautiful landscape of Oaxaca and get some fresh air here on the edge of the city. If it's your first time to watch my videos, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with my weekly offerings on creativity and personal growth. Thanks for coming along. Gracias por acompañarme. Te amo.